What's up everyone, welcome back to the Coral Reef Talk. In today's episode, I'm excited to share with you the new 125 gallon reef tank. Welcome back to the Coral Reef Talk. Now, if you've been following this series for the past few weeks, you know that we've built the stand, we've stained and painted the stand, as well as transferred all of the livestock, the fish, the corals, the rocks, and everything from the 210 gallon reef to the brand new 125 gallon tank. Now, if you haven't seen any of the previous videos, I organized them all into a playlist for you. There's part 1, 2, and 3 for you to go ahead and check out. And if you're brand new to the Coral Reef Talk, please consider hitting that subscribe button and checking that bell icon to be notified every single time I make a new video. Okay, so in this episode, I just wanted to unveil the 125 gallon reef for you to see what all of this hard work has finally led up to. In future videos, I'll get into the equipment that's underneath. We'll take a look at the reef bot as well as the AquaticLifeUSA lighting that is overhead. But for now, sit back and enjoy the 125 gallon SC Aquarium reef tank. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed the brand new reef tank. Leave me a comment down below. What was your favorite part? Do you have a favorite coral that's in the tank? This is the aquascape that I have going right now. Whenever I put the rocks in the tank, I couldn't really see that much because it was cloudy from the sand that I added. So there may be some changes going on with the rock work as we progress and move forward with the 125 gallon tank. But if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear your feedback and see what you think about the brand new tank. So thank you so much for watching. Again, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, check the bell icon, and I'll see you next time on the Coral Reef Talk.